Hello, in this video we'll talk about how to print Word document property. So every Word document when you go to file, you can see the info here is a property. So it contains the created document create dates and print date and modify date and the author and modify. And it also has how many words, how many editing time, etc. So if you want to print all this information, to do that, you can go to print, and then we go to the page setup. Go to the layout, go to the paper. You can see the print options. Okay. So under print options, you check print document properties here, and then you click OK, OK again, and at this time when you print out, let me see. Okay, I'll print out as a PDF document. So let's print out. Okay, so after we print out these documents, at the end you can see there is a property page. It has the file name and date create and how many words we try. So that's how you print out. So if you want to disable that, you can go back to print property and uncheck the checkbox of the print document properties. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.